Quentin Washington here, and thank you for taking the time to watch my video on the 5 insider tips you need to know about personal injury accidents and settlements. Tip number 1, your case loses money when you don't go to the hospital or see a doctor right after your accident. People who are injured must have treatment. You may not think it's that bad, but I can assure you that sometimes it takes a couple of days after the accident for it to settle in. If you don't see a doctor immediately, insurance companies will say you aren't hurt. Tip number 2, your story or statement must be consistent. The police make notes at the scene of the accident on whether you say you're injured or not. Oftentimes, this becomes a credibility issue with the insurance companies when you say you're hurt later. Tip number 3, you will get less money if you try to negotiate with the insurance company. Oftentimes, people who are injured try to settle the case themselves and then talk to a lawyer. This reduces the chance a lawyer can increase your settlement later. Most people are not experienced in this type of negotiation, so now is not the time to practice. Tip number 4, you must know what's going on during your medical treatment. Insurance companies are betting that you won't be able to explain how you were hurt, what you were diagnosed with, and how the medical treatment is helping you. When you can't explain what's going on in your treatment and the benefits you're receiving from it, they think you aren't hurt. Tip number 5, gaps in medical treatment lessen the value of your case. What I mean by that is if you aren't receiving medical treatment, the insurance company believes that your injury isn't as bad as you say. Sometimes people stop treatment because the copays are too high. Do not do this. You are destroying the value of your case. Doctors prescribe a course of treatment. If you don't follow it, your injuries become questionable. Hopefully these 5 tips will help you maximize your personal injury settlement. If you have any questions anytime, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email.